There is a silent war going on in many homes, and it's not even about cheating, it's not about in-laws, it's not about love, it is about money. Dear wives, your money is not a weapon, your money is a tool. Use it to help your man, use it to support your man. Let's talk about this. In many marriages today, women have become financially empowered, and I celebrate that. We have come a long way from depending only on men's pockets to owning businesses, earning salaries, and holding leadership roles. But here is the sad twist. Some wives now use their money as a weapon, which is very, very bad. They hide their income. They watch their husbands struggle in silence. Why they stay silent? You watching your husband struggling in silence, and you know this man is struggling and you are not doing anything about it. And it's not as if you cannot do something about it. This set of women say things like, that's his responsibility, not mine. Or, why should I help him when I already do too much? I do a lot of things in this house. Some things like that. But what happened to partnership? What happened to two becoming one? Now listen, money in marriage is meant to be a tool and not a weapon. Not a way to control, manipulate, or punish. A tool to build your home. A tool to support your husband when he is weak. A tool to lift each other up, not tear each other down. Let's be honest, there are seasons in marriage. Sometimes you will carry the weight. You will know, you even if they ask you, you will confirm that he is trying, he is doing so much. You will carry the weight, and other times you might be the one holding things together. As the wife, as the mother of the house. But when you hide your money, what you are saying is, this is mine, you are on your own. And let me tell you, that's the mindset that slowly breaks the bond of the unity and trust inside your husband's heart. He is going down emotionally. The words you say to him is breaking him. It's breaking the bond and the trust he has for you. Now I am begging you, dear wives, please be kind. Be kind to your husband financially. Yes, your money is a tool and not a weapon. You should use it to support and help your man when the need arises. You are not competing with your husband, you are building with him. When he wins, you win. You understand? When he falls, you should be there to help him rise without telling anybody, without anybody noticing what happened. Not to remind him that he's falling. You should be there as his backbone. Don't use your money to punish him. Use it to partner with him. That's how lasting marriages are built. That's how power couples are made. You don't have to shout to prove you are strong. Remember, your wisdom, your support, your heart is your real power. So, here is today's message in one sentence. Your money is a tool, not a weapon. Use it to help. Stop hiding it. His money is our money. Your money should also be his money too. Please be kind. What do you think about this? You can disagree with me, Let's talk in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Support me by sharing and liking this video. See you in my next one. I'll be waiting in the comment section to hear what you think about this video.